The pharmaceutical industry is evolving rapidly, demanding professionals who can navigate complex manufacturing processes, ensure quality, and comply with stringent regulations, from the discovery of penicillin to the development of cutting-edge biologics. The pharmaceutical industry has transformed healthcare. This relentless quest for knowledge propels us towards a future where pharmaceutical operations are most efficient, innovative, and impactful. The future belongs to those equipped to manage these multifaceted operations. That's where BITS Pilani WILP M.Tech Pharmaceutical Operations and Management program comes in. This program is designed for professionals who want to deepen their expertise in pharmaceutical operations, regulatory compliance, and management strategies that drive innovation in this critical industry. We understand that as a working professional, managing your job, personal commitments, and education can be challenging. That's why the M.Tech Pharmaceutical Operations and Management program at BITS Pilani WILP is designed with maximum flexibility to fit in your schedule seamlessly. Our live online lectures are conducted on weekends and after business hours, ensuring minimal disruption to your professional responsibilities. If you miss the lecture, no problem. All live sessions are recorded and available for later viewing. This program provides professionals with the necessary knowledge to successfully navigate pharmaceutical processes for the development as well as the scale-up. Scaling up a pharmaceutical process isn't just about making larger batches. It requires scientific precision to ensure that the product maintains its safety, efficacy, and quality at every stage. The Pharmaceutical Process Development and Scale-up course covers fundamentals of process development from drug formulation to production. The program includes case studies on scale-up of drug formulations, including the advanced products, and transitioning from batch processing to continuous manufacturing for improved efficiency and minimizing batch-to-batch variability, particularly for the complex formulations. Whether working with small molecule drugs or biologics, professionals must understand how to adapt formulations to large-scale production without compromising quality. This program opens doors to a variety of career paths in the pharmaceutical industry. Whether you are looking to advance in your current organization or explore new opportunities, with an M.Tech in Pharmaceutical Operations and Management from BITS Pilani WILP, you position yourself as a highly skilled professional capable of navigating the complexities of this pharmaceutical industry and leading its future innovations. If you are looking to move into leadership roles or gain expertise that makes you a valuable asset in the industry, this program is the right step for you. This program integrates the latest advancements in pharmaceutical technology, ensuring that you are well prepared for the future. I wish you all the best for your future and see you in the class.